Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to generate a random date in between two different dates in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to calculate a random date like we have here in D2. That's between the dates that we have right here in A2 and B2. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I click in cell D2, I'm going to use a function called RANDBETWEEN. So I'm going to type equals RANDBETWEEN with a left parenthesis. And the first argument I'll be prompted for is the bottom number, or where do I want this randomization to start. So I'm going to click on A2 where my start date is. And then I'm going to type a comma. And then my second argument is the top, or what is the end date, where I want to be my brackets for my random date generator. So I'm going to click on B2, close my parentheses, and hit enter. And I can see that I am getting a random date in between 1/1/24 and 12/31/24. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now if I click back in D2, and I put my cursor up here, and I hit enter again, I can see that the random date changes. So if I want to change it, I just click on D2, click in the formula bar, and hit enter. And I will get a bunch of different random dates. Now if I change my start date over here to 12/1, and I go back in here, I can see that all my dates are only going to be in the month of December. And it's never going to go outside of December until I change this date range over here. Now there's a lot of other ways that you can generate a whole string of random dates, including how to exclude holidays or other dates that you wish to set aside to not be part of any of the random dates that you would generate. And we go over this and more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions, and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.